am a real cop. I am a real cop. I am a real cop. I am a real cop.
You, Bunny!
Sir, if you have a grievance, you may contest your citation in traffic court.
What are you talking about? My shop, it was just robbed. Look, he's getting away. Well, are you a cop or not?
Oh, yes, yes. Don't worry, sir. I got... Stop! Stop in the name of the law!
Catch me if you can, Cottontail. Coming through.
This is Officer McCorn. We got a 1031.
I got tips! Officer Hawk, I am in pursuit! Woo-hoo!
Hey, meet me. Wait for the real cops.
Sorry, coming through. Excuse me, pardon.
Convoy Yankee, Flatfoot.
Hey, stop right there!
Have a donut, copper. Come to Papa.